Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you the quickest way to install the Unlinked application to your Android TV box or Google TV. This is going to be a perfect video, so make sure you watch right up to the end, and if you find it useful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share if you can, so you encourage us to be able to create more videos like this. So on your Android TV, if you want to install the Unlinked application, what you need to do is to use downloader. Now just assume some of you do not have the download application on your Android TV. So let me quickly show you how to install it. It is simple. Go over to your browser. Any browser will work in this case. But if you have Google Play Store, go straight away to your Google Play Store and search for downloader. If you don't, go over to your browser and type in the download application. So to save time, I'm just going to choose the suggested app here. So this is what we're looking for. Search exactly as you've seen me do here on your Android TV, and it will bring you to the web page of Google Play where you'll be able to install downloader. As you can see on my case here, I already have it installed. If I didn't, we'll have the install button here. In your case, you should have the install button. Now, if it's your first time, Google is going to ask you to log into your Google account using your Gmail or password. That is very easy to do. Just put in your Gmail and password and then good. Click install, and then the download application will be installed to your Android TV. Once it's installed, just go ahead and launch it, and this is how it will look like. Now the code to use to install Unlinked is 10381. This is the code, so type in exactly as you've seen. 10381 is the code. Once you type in that, just go ahead and click on go, and if your network is good or if your internet speed is alright, the download application will just going to start installing or downloading straight away to your Android TV, as you can see mine doing right now. So once the application start downloading, just give it a couple of seconds. It's not that heavy, so just give it a couple of seconds for it to download. Once it's done downloading, you are going to get the pop-up to install to your Android TV, which you've seen me do here. So just click install, wait a couple of seconds, and once the application is done installing, please do not open immediately. Click on done, delete the app file from your Android TV, close the downloader, and if you return home, you are going to realize the Unlinked application has been installed to your Android TV. So that's the full guide on how to download and install Unlinked to your Android TV. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.